Good morning, everyone. It's Annette with Simply Ohio Sister. I am back. I want to give you an update on my backyard. So if you haven't seen the previous video, check that out. It's a kind of a before, but let me turn the camera around and we'll get started. So yesterday we started a video of my backyard little garden tour, and I started off by showing you this Japanese maple, and nothing has changed with that. But what has changed is I did come out yesterday after work and worked about an hour and 15 minutes in my yard, just cleaning up some of the pathways and some of the weeds and reclaiming some areas that have just been overgrown by weeds. So I just wanted to show you a little update, and I'm going to bring you over here. I showed you these coneflowers here that I grew from seed, and I'm going to show you in just a minute some other areas. But yesterday, this path was totally covered. So it's not perfect, but I did clean it up a little bit. So at least you can see that. And there was a huge weed up here growing, and I took that out. So that's looking a little bit better there. And I also showed you yesterday this rose bush or shrub, but yesterday it was clear up here. I cut it back. And I know there's a lot of greenery around here, but this rose shrub blooms white flowers. And I think now that I've trimmed it back, it will produce some blooms. So we'll see. And then over here, I did upright the bird bath that the raccoons love to tip over. What they do is they climb up and hang off the sides and drink, and then it tips over. So that's a never-ending battle. Got the grapevine, didn't do anything much back here. But I'm going to bring you back over here to this other area because I did most of my work over here. So yesterday, this path you could not see. It was totally grown over with the ivy. But I did take my hedge trimmers and went all along the sides, all the way down, and cleaned it up. I had to take back some of these coneflowers, but that's okay. They grow like weeds and they'll be fine. Can't hurt them. But it's nice to be able to see the path again and walk through here. And I want to show you, last fall, I took the seeds from those coneflowers and I sprinkled them in these beds. Now, there used to be 6 of these arbor vitae here, and they all died except this one. I don't know what happened, but after 5 years, they've all died. This one is surviving. And so I had all these empty spaces. And so I just threw down some seeds, and those little leaves coming up, those are coneflowers. Okay, so that is all going to be filled in with coneflowers and ivy here eventually. But it's shaping up a little bit. I did clean off my patio. You'll recall in that previous video, I had a big branch right here that fell from a storm, and I was able to get that chopped up and thrown away. And I need to get my hammock out. That's still in the shed, but yeah, it's shaping up. It just takes some time. And next will be hedging or cutting the hedges and mowing, but we're supposed to get some rain today. So that will have to wait until tomorrow. And I see that I missed a branch here. Let's see if we can get that. Oh my goodness, that's another big one. Oh boy, that's bigger than I thought. Sorry, guys. Look at that. I thought that was going to be a little branch. I'm telling you, it never ends. So I will get rid of this. I'll just have to chop it up and put it in the pile with all the others. So, all right, stay tuned. Maybe next time I'll do the front yard. It's not as labor intensive, but there is an area in the front yard that does need attention. So anyway, it's about 7 in the morning. I'm just doing this real quick before I start my day job. And I do love the morning, and I love the birds singing, which I hope you can hear that because they are singing. So, all right, everyone, have a great day, and we'll see you again next time. Be sure to like and subscribe and check out my brother's channel, Simply Ohio. I am the sister channel to that one. So links will be in the description, and we'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.